Our perception of ourselves is not entirely based on our own opinion. Our concept of self is also created by how we think others perceive us. Charles Horton Cooley summarized it as the looking glass self, where we examine ourselves based on how we feel we appear to other people. As we grow up, we look to others to see how we should act and behave. It is part of socialization to learn social norms, culture, and how to act with others. From there, we may take into account how others are perceiving us, and thus we form our behaviors based on how we think others view us. A teenager may have different perceptions coming at them throughout the day. For example, the teen may think that their parents see them as good and responsible, while a classmate at school who the teen spoke negatively about may see them as uncaring and mean and try to keep their distance from them. The teen would think that the person they're dating sees them as the perfect partner, while also assuming that their ex would have a completely different impression. They would hope that the teacher sees them in a good way, especially when they have to ask for an extension. If the person sees all of these people early in the day, they will have various viewpoints coming at them that they would internalize and use as an assessment of themselves and their personality. They would wonder if they seem smart in one class and maybe not smart in another. They would wonder how others viewed their mannerisms when they laughed so hard in English class that their face turned bright red. Was that awkward? Should they tone it down next time? Or did the other students enjoy it and laugh with them? Cooley created 3 steps to his looking glass self. First, an individual would think and imagine about their appearance when in a social situation. Second, they would imagine how others are perceiving their appearance. Third, they would develop feelings based on impressions they encountered. They might feel joy, respect, or acceptance. However, they could also feel shame, humiliation, or rejection based on how they imagine people viewed them. When someone gets a new job, they meet a lot of new people, and they try to find their social place. During their initial conversation with new coworkers, they pay attention to the body language of others. They would look to see their reactions based off of what they said, and would pay attention to word choices to see if they're positively received. However, if the people that they meet seem disengaged and not really accepting, they may think that they have possibly done something wrong and that they are not really being accepted at all. However, they may not know that the coworker simply just has a lot to do, a lot on their plate, and so sometimes our looking glass self makes the wrong assessment. Social media has added new complexities to the looking glass theory as new mirrors have been made available. A new self, known as the cyber self, has been created. One gets to pick and choose what they want to portray and can have several versions of themselves online as they go from professionalism on LinkedIn to casual and funny on TikTok. They are also judged and criticized to a whole new level online, which may drive some to be online more often so that they can continually reshape their image. This has truly redefined the Cooley's looking glass self. Thank you very much for watching this short video here on Learning the Social Sciences. Remember to click that like and subscribe so that you'll know when we have new videos posted. And always, write your comments and questions down below. Once again, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.